Welcome back to my channel, Adventures in America. If you are new to my channel, my name is Jocelyn, and for today's topic, I'm going to provide you the latest update from the US Embassy in Manila regarding visa processing for non-immigrant and immigrant visas and the interview schedule for those who are already documentarily qualified. But before we get started, please like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. I always welcome new subscribers. Just to give you an idea, here are the non-immigrant visa priorities. First, students and exchange visitors, those who are applying for F&M visas. Second, temporary employees, those who are applicants for H-1B visa. Also, H-2B visa, or for those temporary or seasonal agricultural workers. And third, L visas for intra-company transferees for managerial or executive position located outside of the US. Third priority, renewal of B1, B2 eligible for interview waiver, not for first-time applicants. Fourth, biometrics-only appointments for applicants who received their last visa prior to age 14. And the next priority are interviewing a limited number of B1, B2 first-time applicants each day. If you sent visa inquiries, the US Embassy is now processing inquiries as of July 6 of 2022. So make sure that you refrain from sending multiple requests or follow-ups which slow the response. Here are the wait times for non-immigrant visas. For visitor visa, 379 calendar days. Student, 9 calendar days. All other non-immigrant visas, 26 calendar days. And the all other non-immigrant visa wait times does not include K or visa applications which are processed similar to immigrant visas. The embassy is processing immigrant visas across all categories. However, with significant backlogs in most categories, wait times for interviews are lengthy for all but for immediate relatives. Here are the latest updates for IR or immediate relative petitions, IR1, IR2, IR3, IR4, and IR5. As of June 30, most IR visa cases being scheduled for interview were documentarily complete at the National Visa Center in April of 2022. Let's move on to the K1 visa or petition I-129F for fiancés. Here's the latest update. Most K1 visa cases being scheduled were documentarily complete in May of 2022. Let's move on to employment visas. Most current employment-based cases being scheduled were documentarily complete in April of 2022. Let's move on to family preference visas. These are visas with visa cap each year. Most current family preference cases are approved expedite cases that were documentarily complete in March of 2021. Also, individual case may vary depending on the type of visa, service center, visa cap, and priority date. Documentarily complete means all documents and fees have been submitted at the National Visa Center. Let's move on to the July Visa Bulletin. These are the dates for filing family-sponsored visa applications. F1, F2A, F2B, F3, and F4. So for F1, April 22nd, 2015, F2A is current. F2B, October 1st, 2013. F3, November 8, 2003. And F4, April 22nd, 2004. Listing indicates that the category is current and that applications may be filed regardless of the applicant's priority date. Okay, let's move on to the other categories, those which are not current. So for all other dates, here's the explanation for F1, F2B, F3, and F4. The listing of a date of any category indicates that only applicants with a priority date, which is earlier than the date listed, may file their application. Now let me explain the priority dates. Applicants for immigrant visas who have a priority date earlier than the application date in the chart. So if your application date is before April 22nd, 2015 for F1, you may now assemble and submit the required documents following receipt of notification from the National Visa Center containing detailed instructions. So it means that you will have to wait for a notice from the National Visa Center before submitting the documents. Now let's talk about expedited interviews for non-immigrant visas or B1, B2 visas. Now for all of you who wanted to avail of the expedited non-immigrant visa appointments such as B1, B2 expedited appointments, there are qualifications that needed to be met in order for you to be granted this expedited service. So let me provide you the information when can you avail of this. So not every reason for an expedited appointment will be granted. There are specific conditions or situations where you can avail of this service. Now, here are some of the examples. And these are based on actual reasonings of first-time applicants. If you think you are qualified for an expedited interview appointment, here is the procedure. First, you needed to submit the online visa application form DS-160, pay the application fee, and schedule the first available interview appointment. Only at this point will a consular section consider your request for an expedited appointment. However, there are reasons that are not acceptable for an expedited appointment. First, attending weddings. Second, attending graduation ceremonies. Third, assisting pregnant relatives. Fourth, participating in annual business or academic or professional conference. And fifth, last-minute tourism. It is easier than ever to contact the U.S. Embassy in the Philippines. Go to U.S. Visas, and then you have to scroll down. Go to Contact Us under General Inquiries. For B1, B2 renewals or tourist visa renewals, the interview waiver is still available until further notice. Expiration must be within 48 months as announced on December 2021. So you need to count back 48 months before expiration. The interview waiver program also include renewing for biometrics or fingerprints only, also for applicants ages below 14 and over 79, and also for FM and academic J visa applicants, and for seafarer or airline crew visa reissuance. If you have any other questions or comments, please post them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you guys for supporting my channel, and if you haven't liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. I always welcome new subscribers. Thank you guys for watching. I hope everyone is staying safe and have a great day.